Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my everyday makeup look, and I'm gonna be struggling a little bit because I've never done my makeup with fake eyelashes on. So I am also gonna be answering questions about myself, and yeah, I'm just putting on my primer on my face. So the first question is gonna be how old I am. I am 23 and I'm gonna turn 24th in July 16. I just like putting it all over my face. Okay, so now that I put my primer on, I am gonna put on my foundation. Next question is gonna be, do I have a boyfriend? Yes, I have a boyfriend, and we've been together for 5 years already. It's been a long time. I need more foundation, and I'm using this foundation brush to put it all over my face. The only reason that I'm using a brush for my foundation is because with the beauty blender, I don't think I'm gonna do as well as I'm doing right now with this brush, because I will get foundation all over my eyelashes. I actually haven't done like my makeup in a while because I really don't go out anywhere, and like right now I'm not really working. Well, I'm not working, so I barely do my makeup. And then I started going to the gym, so like I really don't put on makeup. So now that I'm done with the foundation, now I'm gonna conceal under my eyes and then contour my face as well. The next question that I'm gonna be answering is gonna be, what do I like to do in my free time? I like to go shopping like any other girl. Spend that money, and also I like getting my lashes done, my nails done. Haven't got my nails done in a while. And also, I don't know, like I like hanging out with my boyfriend a lot. Like I'll pick my boyfriend over my friends any day. I don't know why. I just, maybe because he's my boyfriend, that's why. Sometimes I like going out with my friends and going out to eat, especially. Sometimes drink, it depends. And yeah. I'm just contouring my nose. I use this side. Next question is, when am I gonna have a baby? I get this question a lot, especially because I'm Mexican, and you know, like Mexican parents always like wanting grandsons and granddaughters. Honestly, right now I do not want a kid. My goal is first to get a house and not live in an apartment, and be stable and have like my own house. And then I can have a baby. So the baby can have its own place to like grow up and have memories and all that. That's when I'm gonna have a kid. My boyfriend right now, he really doesn't want a kid. He really doesn't want to have a kid right now. Also, so like, we're basically not ready to have a kid right now. But soon, I'm just gonna say soon. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face. So next question is gonna be, would I ever get my body done? All I wanna get is a boob job. That's it. That's all I wanna get. Just a boob job, and that's it. Because girl don't got titties. I don't got any titties. So yeah, I really want a boob job. I don't know when, but I want it. Probably get Botox soon, because like, I don't know, all my family has like this, and I do not like it. I hate it. Like, cause like I get mad really easy, and then after a while of doing this, like a mean face, it stays there, like the line stays there, and I don't like that, like at all. Like I hate it with all my gut. I don't know, I just don't like it. But that's like pretty much it. I will get my boobs done and get some fucking Botox. That's it, on my forehead, and that's it. I feel like I have a cute nose, a little nose, and like my face shape is like perfect. I don't know, like I wouldn't get an eyebrow lift because like I can grow out my eyebrows and do like an arch and all that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow on my lids. See how that goes. Oh, and I forgot, I'm using this palette right here to put eyeshadow.
I'm just like patting it on there, so I can have like color on my eyes.
Okay, so for the next question is, where do I live? I live in Texas with my boyfriend, of course. I moved over here because of him. So yeah, I live in Texas. I used to live in Washington. I'm gonna put some brown. So now I'm gonna put my blush on. So the next question is gonna be, where would I like to travel to? Oh my god, I wanna go everywhere. Like, if I could, I would go to China, Paris, where else? I really want to go to Hawaii. Like, that's my goal for right now. I really want to go to Hawaii because I love the beach and I love the heat. Like, I hate winter. Like, I don't like it at all. Like, summer is my favorite season. Cause I'm like a really cold person. Like, I don't like the cold. I'm always cold anyways. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some highlight on. And I'm gonna be using this MAC highlighter. What's my favorite type of music? My favorite type of music is, I like a lot of hip hop, rap. I also like a lot of like love songs, I guess you could say. And I do like Mexican music because of course I grew up with it. Cause I'm Mexican, I'm from Michoacan, I was born in Michoacan. Really like narco music also. I'm like obsessed with narco music. Really like into it right now because my boyfriend doesn't really listen to that. He's always listening to rap music and hip hop music and all that, so I don't really listen to it. I used to love going to bailes. Like, I used to go to bailes with my mom, my sister. So I do know how to dance, but I haven't gone to like a dance in like a while. I'm just like into makeup and, you know, girly stuff. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to clean my eyelashes out, and I'm gonna be using this wipey right here and then my spoolie to like clean it up. Hopefully I don't mess them up. And try to get all this eyeshadow off of it. And I'm just gonna brush them out. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of setting spray all over my face. So I cleaned my lips out because I am gonna be putting this on. Okay, so this is it. This is my everyday makeup look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and loved the simple eyeshadow I did, and also hopefully I answered all the questions that you guys wanted to know about me. And also I am super excited that I did not ruin my eyelashes. Hopefully the next time I get my lashes done, I will bring you guys with me so you guys can see how they do them and how they come out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.